Hey, well, hello YouTube. I'm gonna do an unboxing of one of my favorite movies, the 1959 movie Ben-Hur, starring Charleston Heston. And this is a Zavvi exclusive. I think there's only 1,000 copies of these. When I ordered it, it was less than 500 on their website. It's still there if you want to order one. There is a French version or a French import too. Same design. So if you miss out on the Zavvi exclusive, you could always get an import from France. I'm sure you could find it on eBay. So comes with commentary from Charleston Heston and a musical track of the score. It's a beautiful looking steelbook, black and bronze. Comes with an L-shaped label. You know, the packaging never does it justice. Here's the back. It's a beautiful looking steelbook. Let's see. Open it. Two discs. Here's the disc. Disc 2, and they got disc 1 in the back. Love this. I think Charleston Heston won an Academy Award for this too. It really is a beautiful looking steelbook. Show that, how shiny that is. The packaging really doesn't do it justice. Once you take out the packaging, you look at how nice it looks. I love it. Look how good that looks. I love these epic old movies that they made back then, the old-fashioned way, you know. Look at the front again. It's a beautiful steelbook, you know, and the movie's awesome. So if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.